least we're not about to drive off into them. Oh, never mind. It was going the other way. I thought it was coming to us.
See how it's all sandbars right there, Regan? You can see the dirt there. That's why.
This is the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah, well, this is actually the...
Oh, look, there's ships over there.
Yeah.
There's ships over there. And now we're going up onto a big bridge. So what's this bridge called again, Grammy? I forgot.
The Megler Bridge.
Megler Bridge. We are on the Megler Bridge. Oh, look at that. There's a whole bunch of buildings. There's a whole bunch of buildings over there. And a whole bunch of ships. There's a whole bunch of ships over there. That looks cool, yo. Oh, there's a building right there. There's a building on the water. Whee! This is a beautiful view. Yeah. That's beautiful. And look over there, you can see the ocean again. This is so pretty. It's been raining all day, bro. Oh, look how pretty the bridge looks from here. That's what we were on, bro. Wow, that's beautiful. There's so much green. Now we're about to go on another bridge over there. Okay. Back onto the bridge. There's more of the water. Oh, look, there's a bird. There's a bird. There's a bird. Just amazed of this view. Like you get to go over the Pacific Ocean. Wow. Oh look, I see a blinky red thing over there. I can't see it on camera. Okay. Oh, there it is. Look. There's a blinky red thing. Blink. The blinky red thing disappeared. Okay. Yeah. So there's a blinky red thing over there. Yeah, it's right there. Ooh, we're going down. We're going down to the water. If I were to just open the window, open the door right now, I would be, and I wasn't wearing a seatbelt, I'd be flung out into the can't even see land. I can't even see where we were like a few minutes ago. Like only like 20 minutes ago. Like I can see shadows of it, but barely. Like, okay. Now we're getting into the city. What is that? What is that? Okay. Beautiful.